The address book stores your ship to and ship from addresses. One primary purpose of the address book is to improve automation by storing the full street address of your ship from addresses. Only the city, state, and postal code of the ship from address are required to get shipping quotes during the online checkout process when using one of Integer Technology's quoting products, unless, of course, you're using one of the advanced features like in-store pickup, local delivery, or hold-at-terminal service. When an order with an incomplete address is imported into FreightDesk Online, it will be flagged. To fix it, click the Edit link. Enter the missing details. Click the checkbox to save the address to the address book, and then click Save. FreightDesk Online will update the ship from address on the order and save it to the address book. The next time the ship from address appears on an order as incomplete, FreightDesk Online will automatically update it. The address book provides a status for each address. Unverified addresses are those that the software has been unable to confirm. Verified addresses are those that the software has been able to confirm. Overridden are the addresses that couldn't be validated by the software, but were marked as valid by a FreightDesk Online user. FreightDesk Online will treat these as valid addresses. To edit an address, click its edit icon. To add an address, click the Add Address button. Enter or edit the address details. Enable the Check Address Validity checkbox and click the Check button. The software will suggest an address that complies with the Postal Service's address standardization practices. The suggested changes may be very minor, or they can be quite significant if the proposed change is to fix an incorrect address. Choose the address you want to save to the address book. Addresses saved using the suggested address will appear in the address book as verified. Addresses saved using the Address as Entered option will appear in the address book as overridden. When working on an order or creating a shipment from scratch, you can retrieve addresses from your address book by clicking the Edit link. Enter the nickname of the address you want to retrieve and select it from the search results. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. The retrieved address will be reflected in the shipment details. The address book is a great tool that reduces manual data input and protects against bad addresses that result in expensive fees and returned shipments.